In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create Teams meeting link. So if you want to invite your team members or student on your meeting, then for that we have to create a meeting link first. And to do that, we need to go to the calendar section from this left hand menu, and under it, we need to select the date and time where we want to start our meeting. So I want to start my meeting on 31st July at 5 PM. So I need to select here, and then it will open this form. And now firstly we need to enter the meeting title, which will be chemistry in my case. Now you can enter your email, name and phone number, choose your date and time of the meeting, and also choose the closing time. And now if you want to repeat this meeting on daily basis, so for that we need to click here, and now from these options select the option which is suitable for your case. So if you want your meeting to be daily, then select the daily option so that the meeting will be setted on daily basis, but I don't want to repeat it, so that's why I'm just gonna select do not repeat option. You can also choose your location and description for your meeting. And now to set this meeting, we need to click on save from the top right corner, and now your meeting will be created here. Now to get the link of this meeting, we need to click on copy, and if I go to my desktop here and tap on this notepad, and if I paste the link here, you can see the title and everything has been mentioned here. If you just want to take your link, then for that select the link and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and the link will be copied on your clipboard. And you can send this link via email or via WhatsApp to your team members or student to let them join your meeting. And whenever they click on your meeting link, they will be redirected to your meeting. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.